Racing just is started. We have Pedro Penduko, break quickly at the start. JST is running by Darila. Perfect pass, moving up now on the outside. Valentine Rose, Rising Star, getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Mount Panamao. And going along for the first turn, we have Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. Perfect pass in second. Down on the inside, third is JST. Mount Panamao moving up to take fourth. Valentine Rose in the middle portion is Rising Star. Back to the leader, we have Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. Moving up down on the inside to take second is JST. Perfect pass is done in third. Rising Star, Mount Panamao. While Valentine Rose now racing in less. At the par turn, we have Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. JST still in second. Perfect pass moving up on the outside. Mount Panamao, Rising Star and Valentine Rose. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Pedro Penduko by our nose. Moving up now on the outside is JST. Rising Star is down on the inside third. Last 100 meters we have JST. Now takes command by our length and a half over Pedro Penduko and final JST. Pedro Penduko, Rising Star, perfect pass, Mount Panamao and Valentine Rose.